Hola bafethu, this is iSoccer Beat yethu. Today ngiphethe uLindo Pep, ngiphethe uThando Mngomeni, the educated left foot. Bafethu, we are talking Sundowns, gents. Ni grand bafethu. Lindo, you made the lineup today. Are you happy, my guy?
Hayi mina mfethu mina bengiyiquestiona lento yenu ukuthi kusho ukuthi nina nifuna ukudlala ne-star. Kusho ukuthi nina nifuna ukudlala ne-star nini. Because mina ngazi ama-good player afuna ukudlala ne-star. Ngazi ama-good player. So maniloko nibhizi ningi-rotator, angi-understand ukuthi why ningi-rotate.
Yo mamela le lineup tight le lineup tight mara siyakubona ukuthi uyashisa lamalanga sithi sikulahlele ku lineup ngala.
Msheke.
Sicela uperform ke second team elisirecruitile Lindo.
Yazi i-jive liver msheke. Angifuni ukuconfuse amajita, nginale nkinga yokuthanda ukuphasa nge-outside foot ngingabhekanga yebo. Plus ngoleft ngithanda ukuthi nje. Ngiyangithola. So amajita angaconfuse.
Sibone lonto kuwe Lindo. Lindo sibone la irengu kuwe. Sibone la irengu ukuthi ya lona ungathi une something nyana sumsondele kancane. So
Bafethu asingene endabeni guys. We saw Izolo yesterday was not the best performances obviously from a Sundowns team that we've been accustomed to ukuthi they give us good football. So abantu abekho happy, gents, and they are calling for the coach to be sacked. What are your thoughts, gents? I think it's a bit extreme, but yeah. The Sundowns fans, some of them are calling for Cardoso to be sacked after yesterday's performance. What's your thinking there, Pep?
I mean, I'm fair to you, to be honest, amachimbos, they are not too far from a line of thinking yabo. Because mina kudala ngikhala ngengwenya, kudala nginejive ngengwenya since from last season. Mina nokuthi ingwenya iqale this season msheke. I had challenges with that. Mara, sometimes as someone who's obviously the voice of the fans, at some point, you know, you've got this platform where at least you can be able to engage with their voice msheke. So sometimes you have to support the team and you have to support the coach because I think that there's no man bigger than the club. I think that the love here Sundowns will always be there, whether Cardoso khona or Ageko. I understand the frustration yamachita when Atando, but I think that I would say it's too early in the season. And also we need to be very careful ngokuthi uCardoso every time magana a bad performance and a bad result bese siyamcriticize. The only thing maybe engekho happy ngayo mina I would say is the performance yaizolo and the fact that we did not maybe tactically be aware of what Golden Arrows was trying to do, more especially in the counter attack. But other than that, I would say two ways. It's a little bit extreme. But also, I have to say when I'm shaking it, Ingwenya man, yes, we win the Champions League. We'll touch the couple cool tag one big flame. But me, I will always say, Undwana man always leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I don't know yini lena enza ukuthi embrace the way we've embraced abanyabo coach. Some maybe it's a personality clash. I don't know, but there's something in me ethi. The reason why you kulesa span is because you are winner. The day you are winning, uzoba ne problem.
So yeah, you on the star. I mean, and the into be elusive for Sundowns. Ebesifuna is that second star. So now kusho ukuthi manje sekumele sibanjwe hostage lo muntu manje manga perform because of that. Thando, what's your thinking there?
Upep is hitting the nail on the head. He has been consistent from last season. Kahle ndifuna nami ehambe before I win the second star. Usizwe second star nje yena ba okay, umsebenzi usawuphethe. Otherwise, he's trying to implement this style of play esingadibananga nesusha nepiano yethu. That's the problem. And then ifans zona azikhwatshelani ngalawe, aziboni la vision yakhe. Especially when he introduces second string players. Yesterday he replaced 5, of which all were very much doubtful. But are they really the second team if our starting 11 is not on form? And it's very difficult to judge because Lomjita Vetu, style sake, asibonakala la second string. Sibonakala when the big names are there, Abu Mukwena, Abu Tashri came into play yesterday, Umkhulisi now yazame bonakala, but he just needs more game time. So he called an idea, but it's only invested in the first team and not the second team. That's where the problem is.
No, Thando nguzwa kahle awuthami. Really, i-performance yayizolo didn't convince me at all, you know, as the former Sundowns player and as a Sundowns fan today. I didn't see the identity the Sundowns in yesterday's performance, you know. And then there were even the likes of Undlovu, Esimbone, a performer the previous game, but now yesterday he looked a bit lost. Should fans be worried about that, Lindo?
Yeah, no. Sidlalile ibhola. One bad performance doesn't define you as a player. But mina, I just want to echo quickly Msheke on what Utando was saying. Ingwenya yethu must understand one thing, that uhleli kule situlo ahleli kuso because uyawina. Mina ngokutshela yazi kunabanye abo coach where uyambona ukuthi Thando ingwenya, even because I'm a coach and patches and football team and a season in there's patches Msheke. There's a period where every team in a bad patch. The credit that you must give management, the Sundowns, the chairman, and everyone who serves at the football club is they kept on believing in him. They trusted him to say, hey, Ngwenya, go all the way and win us the CAF Champions League. But the danger of winning CAF Champions League, akumelanga imoshe what we've been trying to build for over 12 years. Akumelanga imoshe riding. And with regards to Siyandla Ndlovu, just to touch on Umfana, like I said, one bad performance doesn't define you. For me, it doesn't take me 15 hours to play. But I always say, glimpses. It's a matter of consistency because Umfana, most of the players are coming from KZN Town. The challenge I always have with them is the consistency, more especially Mabafika at big clubs. Bazukwazi deal the pressure of performing after 3 days consistently. Output in terms of goals, assist. Ucheka my numbers Gamfana last season, even Msheke. He scored 6 goals. He scored 6 goals or 4 goals with 4 goals with 6 assists. At a club like Mamelodi Sundowns, in quality of we need more. Yesterday he was given an opportunity against our teammates working. Maybe because we train on Abutando. Maybe by understand the movement, by understand our pocket and the positional intelligence, often we implement in the game. As a local trainer with the Sundowns, I'm sure he will get better. For me, I'm going to player. Probably one of the most exciting players we have at Mamelodi Sundowns.
I think kancane Shakes ne Pep right kancane ne, but it's always very kunzima ungena udlala against i-ex team yakho, especially usanda ufika. Let's give him time because we gave abanye players yethu ixesha, being bit part players. When Tashrik arrived, we gave him a little platform nyana abaqalanga from the get-go. Abomkhulisa abaqalanga from the get-go, especially the younger ones, to integrate them in part of our vision until our time. So that's the only significant thing that I see that we could have actually worked on. There were too many changes yesterday.
Yeah,
too many changes. And not consistent. And azambelani ama changes. Azambelani at all.
Yeah, I agree with you, Tando, man, you know, and when I saw that starting lineup, I was a bit worried, you know, even up front, the likes of your Reyners, you don't see him consistently in the lineup, you know. You had Motiba, who the coach also seems to have a lot of faith in, you know. But is he really a Sundowns player, Motiba, chance? Mina Motiba mabam sign a chance. I was a bit skeptical. I was like, ish, you know, okay, I played in Europe, but Sundowns is a different game. I want a Sundowns, man. It for me, it didn't look like a Sundowns player.
Asibuzena bekadlala leya position. Asibuzena. When you must tell us, Msheke, because you are the perfect guy to answer that. Because I'm going to be speaking for AMA 57 fans who have been supporting Msheke during his time at Mamelodi Sundowns, watching him. When I'm Msheke, we know the kind of profile as Ifunai. In Kalagata Yonada, do you feel he's the right striker for Mamelodi Sundowns moving forward? I can always say, I said yesterday on the show, Msheke, he's plan B, he's not plan A. Maybe going into Africa when we're looking for a second option. Is he a Mamelodi Sundowns striker? I think he was Australian fan.
I think in the squad, he's a role player. He shouldn't be starting. He's assisting, guiding the youth who has just been promoted. Kanjalo. He's number 3 after Leon Norenas. That's a basic fact. He's number 3. But it yan't pass a game like Izolo. Akale yena uRenas abese benchini.
No, bekaphethe iflu uRenas. Leyo silungise from Asanda. No uRenas
ungadlala uneflu uzukufa mfethu. Ungadlala uneflu. Ungadlala uneflu.
I feel.
Yeah, mamela I don't think he's a bad striker, you know. But I just think Sundowns is a different team. There's a lot of players, good players who can play football, but I don't think necessarily they are good for Sundowns. You know, one other such player I can give an example with is Umasego. Umasego, the great player, you know, was a great player at Super Sport. But I knew Uguti at Sundowns, man. Sundowns is about Shusha and piano, releasing ball, and hambi ball. And Masego ugijima nebhola isikhathi esiningi. But did you see how great he was in the World Cup? He looked good and he looked like our most threatening player. But I just didn't see him as a Sundowns player. The same with Umotiba, you know, because I know with Sundowns are not necessarily going to play the crosses for him to header the ball. It's not our style of play, you know. Like you said, it's maybe a third option or something for us in the CAF Champions League. But I'm not convinced with the guy, bro.
Mina futhi leya penalty imeyise last year bengisicabanga ukuthi igame yakhe yokugcina mina bengitshela ukuthi futhi ngeke aphinda adlala makaqeda ukushiya lento emese
Ushaya ipaneka.
yeah people bayakhohlwa uthando abantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi iPirates iwin league ngamagoli hello maybe let's remind hello iPirates won the league ngamagoli
Elindo,
yeah
uShakes I understand lena. Mawucoacha iSundowns, you don't really need an out and out striker and 9. You can always have a false. It's possible with if you implement Ishushan and Pian. You don't need an out and out striker. You just need someone but with connect to the dots coming from the central midfield. We are Pambi. That's all we need. Because Mutibi lenda yenzayo ayisincedise nganix me bro. Hold up play as he need hold up play. So yenza ndoni ultimately. And it's a coach's decision. That's why I get him. I understand the frustration of my fans, but bengamfuni uKhadosi. It's because of those little tactical mistakes as yenzai. Of which, hey, you can make mistakes, no problem. But okay, you've got a bench. Tell me why uzwana ngaqalanga.
mina yini question engifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi
Tell me why.
Guti Tando, you know,
Tell me why.
looking at that quality Tando, yama young stars abo Bennett. Yes, good Bennett is one esimphethe then uBhekundlovu, and then you're looking at the front line and you're thinking these boys would have loved ukuthi bathole call. Someone knows about call. We know that one person Tando a team knows ukuthi kuye as a winger boy ngeka kumake leyo. Just that confidence in Japan. Umshishi provides that ukuthi makaqeda ukupasa never uthole ntwana. Qeda mthu. You know, sometimes you need that experience, player, because you want to over impress, you know, and there's a lot of mistakes. We have on sloppy passes but anyway, a bad performance on the day when Atando. But for me, I think I do agree with you. A little bit of experience.
Who should be starting? I mean, you're complaining already. These youngsters, there were too many of them in the same field, you know. Now we need to move on, guys. The game against Amazulu midweek. Who do we have in the starting lineup? Who do we start with now?
I would think give Goss another chance at goals. You go Motiba's right, you go pulling Grant. The Koza is doing well as well. Umorena, you can start him at right back since Uradeng Mutau is out. Then you've got Obas, then you've got Allende. And then you've got Yozwane if you want. And that position at 10, we are very spoiled with 10. Nobambala ngadlala ku 10. Any name you come up with 10 sometimes to be able to do the job. Yabo. Ube khona Van Veek on the right. And then uba nofana omunye mncane. Utashrik on the Otashik on the left. Let's hope Lindo Renas recovers from
Baba.
Let's hope Renas recovers from flu yakhe angene.
I think Tando, I would agree with that starting lineup. I wouldn't change anything. The only thing is that I would put emphasis in starting Umshishi as a number 10. I think for me, give him a good 60 minutes and then second half bring in a Bennett Mkwena. Other than that, I wouldn't change anything from that lineup.
I agree with you guys. And the Pep, I agree with you. Umshishi bafethu uyadingeka ground noma ngathini coaching siyambona ukuthi angathi akagcwali ngumshishi. But umshishi uyodlalisa abafana. Umshishi yesterday had been on the field. He was going to make Ndlovu play. So we are complaining manje Skarabon Ndlovu ukuthi he didn't have a second great performance. But you need quality experienced players abazokudlalisa. You know, in a big team like Sundowns, and I think Umshishi plays a major role in doing that. We are digging bad. Anyway, bafethu asimvaleni lapho. Soccer PTA to please carry on following us. We are growing. Phethu Lindo, Phethu Pep, izitsha zegame bafethu. Siyabonga. Carry on subscribing.